Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. So today's video is going to be about the campus life at Swansea University, and I'm going to talk about the campus life of Bay campus and Singleton campus and everything in common. I will be making separate videos for Bay campus and Singleton campus and talk about their campus life as well, but this is going to be the video about both the campuses and all of that they have in common, and you can watch this video and get an overall idea about what campus life is at Swansea University. So let's not waste time and let's start the video. So let's start with talking about the social life on campus. So let's start with the sports aspect of it. So Swansea Bay Sports Park is the name of the sports facilities all around campus. It is available both on Bay campus and Singleton campus. First of all, the biggest facility around that is the sports hall situated on Bay campus as well as Singleton campus. It's a big multi-utility hall, and you can use it to play a lot of sports. For example, badminton, basketball, volleyball, table tennis, netball, etc, etc, etc. Even practice net cricket on that sports hall. So yes, that is one of the biggest attractions at campus. There are also gym facilities on both the campuses, and anyone can join and go to the gym whenever they like. There are turfs on Bay campus that is for football and basketball, and there are a lot of grounds and turfs on Singleton campus as well, including a big ground for cricket, a big proper stadium ground for football. They have a hockey turf as well. They have a netball, volleyball turf as well. So Singleton campus is also very rich in these sports facilities in terms of a lot of grounds situated over there. And Singleton campus also has the National Wales swimming pool, so it is a really good swimming pool, and you can definitely go there, buy a membership and swim whenever you like. So yes, these are some of the sports facilities on Bay campus and Singleton campus. I will be talking about more on these topics when I make the separate videos for Bay campus and Singleton campus, but this is the overview of what sports facilities they have on both the campuses. You can go to the website and search for it as well. So moving on, let's start talking about the restaurants and pubs on campus. So there are different options, a variety of options for restaurants. For example, they have the Refractory on Singleton campus and the Social Hideaway on Bay campus. Both of them are the kitchen of the university, and they have really good options for food. And they have also introduced the cost of living meals, which is £2 meals and etc. So yes, you have that. Singleton campus also has Greg's, Tortilla, Root, etc., where you can go and buy food. Bay campus has Subway, Costa, Coffeeopolis, etc. You can go there and buy food as well. There are different types of pubs as well. For example, Bay campus has Staff and Taway, the Singleton campus has the JC's bar. So there are lots of events happening on that as well. So you have to keep an eye out where you can go and participate on these events, and they are pretty cool. They also have some small supermarkets like Tesco Express and Cost Cutter as well, where you can buy your day-to-day groceries and whatever you need. Now, both the campuses have a student unions room, where it's like a gaming room, or it's like a social hangout place where you go with your friends and have fun, play pool, play table tennis, etc, etc. So there is a room on Bay campus situated in a building called White Winnie, and on Singleton campus it's next to the Refractory on the Fulton House. So yes, you can go there and chill with your friends, hang out during your break time, or whatever you want to do. You can go there and play. So talking about the student unions room, There are a lot of events happening in that room, as well as the restaurants and pubs on campus. So there are societies and clubs having loads and loads of different activities and events going on. Even the student union itself has a lot of events happening all around the year. So yes, on campus, if you are there, you can go and participate on these events, and they are pretty fun. For example, they have a lot of stress relief events happening during the exam time. So you can go, and there are a lot of stress buster activities going on. They also have a lot of social events in pubs and the restaurants, where you can go and hang out with your friends and enjoy that event. So yes, there are these events happening, where it is one of the most amazing aspects of the campus life, and you can go and participate as well. Now, these were all the main aspects of social life on campus, that is the restaurants, the sports, the events, the rooms, etc., etc. So let's talk about some of the study spaces that are available on campus. So first of all, there is the library, which is situated both on the Bay campus and Singleton campus, and it is 24/7 open, so you can go anytime and work there in peace. I think it is one of my personal favorites to go to the library and study, because it is very peaceful. They have all the facilities and amenities that you need, and I have spent a lot of nights preparing for exams, doing my coursework, assignments, etc. So yes, library is a good option. They have also different rooms, different spaces of study all around the department buildings. For example, they have some in the engineering building on Bay campus, some on the Fulton House on Singleton campus, etc., etc. So you might want to have a look around that as well. Lastly, all the department buildings have amazing labs. So they have all the facilities that you would like in a lab, so you can go there and study in peace as well, or do your lab work. So last but not the least, talking about the accommodation on campus, there are a lot of options available for you to book in lots of different type of rooms, both on Bay campus and on Singleton campus. Singleton campus also has different student halls situated around Singleton campus, such as the HSV, the Singleton campus accommodation, etc., etc. So you can check that out as well. There are all types of rooms available in all price range. So yes, go and definitely check that out, and they have their own facilities as well. So yes, it is worth looking for accommodation on the campuses as well. Talking about accommodation, if you are finding difficulty in booking your accommodation or finding an accommodation suited to your need, I think you should definitely check out Amber, which is kindly sponsoring this video. And Amber is a website, a company which helps you find the perfect accommodation suited to your need in Swansea or in the UK, and you can do it for absolutely free. So talking about Amber, you can go to the Amber website. The link will be down in the description below, and check it out yourself. You can register yourself on the website, and you can get a free personalized assistant that will help you to find and book your perfect accommodation. So I think the booking and the finding process of your accommodation has been made pretty easy through Amber, and I think they are doing a really great job. So I have made a whole video about Amber and its services and how you can get access to them. So the link to that video will be down in the description below, and you can definitely go and check that out. I have also made a video about the campus life or the campus accommodation when I was living on Bay campus, so you can also go and check that out. The playlist of all of it will also be down in the description below. So if you have any questions regarding accommodation or how to book accommodation, or if the campus accommodation is good, you can all find it out on the video that I've made down in the description below. I'll be making separate videos about campus life on Bay campus as well as Singleton campus, and I will talk more in detail about each of the campuses on those videos. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like this video, so that I know that people want to watch that videos. So yes, so I think this was a brief about the campus life and its facilities where you can go and enjoy and also do your academics well. So I hope you got some information on this video, and I will be making other videos about campus life on Bay campus and on Singleton campus very soon. So yes, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and comment down your thoughts or any questions that you have. You can follow me on Instagram, the link will be down in the description, or here you can follow me there and DM me if you have more questions as well. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.